Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have access to all personal and protective equipment, called PPE. At your site, the requirements may vary. At Teiko, we have lab coat, goggles, and gloves, and those are used for drawing blood. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have access to a -80 freezer or dry ice.
At this point, you want to inspect your box contents. Once you open the box, make sure that you have the instruction manual and the contents. Set the box aside and let's go through the contents carefully to make sure that everything is there. You'll see 2 micropipettes or transfer pipettes. You'll have the green vial to draw blood into. And then you'll have buffer 1, buffer 2, as well as potentially a specimen bag and an absorbent bag, depending on your kit site.
And the first part of getting your patient ready is getting the tourniquet and vial. So here's the tourniquet. We're going to put this on. Make sure you've got your green top tubes, your butterfly needles, your connector, and your alcohol prep pads. Now you're ready to draw.
At this point, you want to take the blood from the green top tube and transfer it to buffer 1. And we'll go through that step by step. So make sure you have buffer 1, unscrew the top, take one of the transfer pipettes, open the green top tube, draw 2 ml from the green top tube, put that into buffer 1. And gently pipette up and down to make sure all the sample is transferred and mixed in. Now, you want to put the top back on buffer 1, but to invert 10 times. This makes sure that the sample is carefully mixed. At this point, you're ready to transfer the contents of buffer 1 into buffer 2. So first, unscrew the top of buffer 2, and then unscrew the top of buffer 1. And using the second transfer pipette, carefully draw from buffer 2, place the contents into buffer 1. Make sure you get all the contents from buffer 1, so pipette as many times as you need to make sure that you're able to draw from buffer 1 into buffer 2. Now that you have all the contents in buffer 2, discard that transfer pipette. You can go ahead and discard buffer 1, cap buffer 2, and similarly, I'm going to invert this 10 times. And as you finish inverting, the next step is to transfer immediately into dry ice or a -80 C freezer. So here we've got a dry ice bin. If you're ready to ship, put a -80, and then you're on your way.